Everyone, it's Kelly the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia. Welcome to the channel and to today's video where, yes, we're heading into Costco. They have their new sales week cycle thing start, and I've been seeing some pictures of stuff online and I thought I want to head in and see what's in there. So let's go check out all the specials. The first is this Olay Rejuvenating Day Cream, and there is a night cream as well, double packs. They look so good. So the night pack is $44.99 retinol, and the day cream is $34.99. Onto Venus Gillette razors. It looks like there's a 12 pack and it is $27.99, instant rebate of $7 from that one. And next door was the men's razors 20 pack, $39.99, Gillette Mac 3. I remember those ads on TV. They were funny. All right, next is some Pantene shampoo and conditioner. Good thing they have them in the separate boxes here. And the shampoo is like 1.8 liters and it is $16.98. So probably not an instant in-store discount, but it was on special near the doors in between everything else. Head and Shoulders 2-in-1, it's 1.2. There's the ladies and there is the men's, and it is on special for, I had to see, $15.99 is that. Ladies is $16.49, so instant rebates in stores. Palmolive foaming hand wash pack. You've got the 2 big refills and the 2 little bottles on the sink, the green and the pink ones, and they are $17.99. No instant rebate, but again in between all these specials here at the front door. Oral-B electric toothbrushes. I love how they've got it in the clear acrylic container here so you can see everything that you get, and there's an instant rebate on this, so it's $129.98, discount of $30. 16 brush head replacements for the Oral-B, and again instant rebate of $18, so $51.99. And Unstoppables, everyone raves about these. Squeeze and sniff. Let me know if you can smell it. I had a mask on, so I was like, I don't smell anything. $31.99. They're still cheaper than Coles from what I've seen. Fairy dishwashing tablets, 104 in the pack, and they are instant rebate $5.01, so $37.48. And then next up they have the Cascade Complete. There's 90 tablets in this box. Looks like a Powerball type thing. Instant rebate of $6, so it comes down to $25.99. A Clean Freak cleaning pack. Looks like a spray, 3 sprays there. Instant rebate of $4, bringing it down to $17.99. Mr. Clean Freak, never heard of it. And Swiffer Duster refills, $23.99. So cleaning, we're all getting into cleaning right now because we're home. I've never used the Swiffer before. Let me know what they're like. Air fryer, look at this. I pulled it apart because I wanted to see what it was. That drawer stays on its runner and you take out the base. So showing you guys. I know that some people would be interested in this, and it's instant rebate $50, so $369.99. And there's some more electric toothbrushes here. This one is a Philips Sonicare. I have no idea. I just know that it is on sale minus $50, so $349.99. Then they have these Philips ones. These are different. So the other ones were a higher power, I think, and these are a lower power, 310. So this set is only $109.99. But good, you get a black and a white one. And then they have the replacement heads for the toothbrushes, and again, instant rebate, bringing it down to $34.99. They have some more shaving things around the corner. I guess they're setting up for Father's Day as well. So this Philips electric razor and a Philips shaver, that's here. Had a look. So the first one I showed you was $129 and the shaver is $159. I don't know anything about shavers, let me know. Oh, yeah, and this was in the box just to show you guys what it looks like. So, yeah. Philips hairdryer. This is really good. Designed for fast, professional drying and styling. Good to see. You've got the pieces that go on there. Instant rebate, $20, bringing it down to $89.99. And then next to it, we've got a Philips steam generator, instant rebate, bringing it down to $329.98. This is for steaming garments and stuff. It's basically a huge iron that attaches to a device here. I have no idea. I've never used one. If you've used one, let me know down below. Do they work? I like those handheld ones that seem to be on the stand. All right, a pressure cooker here. This looks really good. Had a little look inside. Everyone raves about these. And here we go. I think it's at the, no, $169.99. I was very confused. So we've got the air dryer here, which seemed to be the different price around the front, and then the pressure cooker. So I'm very confused. All right, Halloween is here. So we have a Halloween pumpkin. It is $74.99 if you are into Halloween. And they have these skeleton things that light up and play music, and I think I'm not sure if they're sensor or not, but as soon as I walked past, they turned on, freaked me out a little bit. They are $169.99. So if you're decorating your house for Halloween, that might be something good. And they had a whole lot of costumes here. I thought for Halloween, but apparently it's for book week. So there are a multiple of things here. There are werewolves, there's fairies, there's ninjas, there's Frozen, there's Moana, there was Disney, like Minnie and Mickey Mouse, some other fairy, girly, dress-up stuff, just lots and lots. I was filming all individual, but it's just too much. Oh, yeah, there was Supergirl, and there's Batgirl as well, lots of stuff. Oh, yeah, and they are $42.99 for any one of the costumes. Nespresso. Oh, I call these machines a George because George Clooney promotes them. So we have $169.98 and $139.98. I couldn't see the DeLonghi Nespresso machine they're talking about, only that first one, so I've just filmed it for you. You can check out the prices online, I think. And a wok, pretty heavy actually. I thought I'd see how fast I could wield it. Not very good. So it looks like it is $134.99, not on special, but it's new in store. And then they had these double glass insulated mug things. They were really lightweight. I couldn't believe it. They look really good. So you get the pack of 6 in there. So basically you pay for 4 and you get 2. I filmed this because someone left their muesli bars there. Clearly they weren't interested in them. Okay, silicone baking mats. They're on a rebate, so $15.99. They're great for all the bakers. And I saw these bowls. They look so cute. So different designs on the outside and colours on the inside. We used to have some of these in one of the Avon home catalogues. So I thought I'd stop and have a look at all of them. And they are an instant rebate of $5, so they're $16.99. They've got these LED string lights here. It's good to see a little display setup that's here. So an instant rebate there. So making it $74.99. And then they had some air freshener things. So they had this blue one. I couldn't quite see the name of it. I forgot. And then an orange one. So very tropical sounding names. An instant rebate on that one for $13.99. And they had some windscreen wipers there as well for the rebate. They were around the other side. I didn't film them. Look at this ladder. It looks so cool. It's as tall as my trolley. That gives you a bit of an indication of the height that was on it. I wasn't game to get on it. But again, it's on sale, so bringing it down to $39.99. Here is the biggest shoe rack I have ever seen independently of being inside a cupboard. So it fits 54 pairs of shoes. This would be good for my friend Sharon. She has a lot of shoes. But I filmed it because I had an instant rebate, bringing it down to $59.99. Let me know how many pairs of shoes you have. I have like 4. I'm not a girly girl. Look at this mirror. Hello, how are you? I filmed this as well because it had a rebate on it too, bringing it down to $189.99. I don't really know much about mirrors or sizing. And then this was new, so it's like a caramel meringue thing. Just filmed it. Have a look. $27.98. I know they're about $10, but like a quarter of that size in Coles. And these were on special. These Portugal tarts, instant rebate, bringing it down to $13.99. All right, got some Highland pork, 2 packs, 250 grams each. So instant rebate there, bringing it down to $9.99. So it would still be $18 for a kilo. Again, I don't really know much about that. And then this Stone Fire Naan bread double pack there, bringing that down to $7.49. The Glad foil, 150 meters, I think that is. Glad bake. We have this 120 meters. I love it, but it has to go in the baking cupboard, not in my drawer with all the other cling wrap and stuff, which does annoy me a bit. And then the Glad wrap they have here, 300 meters. So these are the caterers packs. So the foil is $14.99. The bake is $13.99. Pretty sure that's what I paid for it too. And the Glad wrap is $9.99. So if you need some, check it out. They also had this food service foil. This is the Kirkland's brand because I think it was also on a special, so $39.99. And then next door to that was the drawstring kitchen bags for $27.99. The Kirkland brand again. And someone's left a pack of Hello Pandas. They're probably on special somewhere. Ultra Clean, 146 loads of laundry detergent. It's probably... Oh, yeah, I tried to get one out and... Oh, it's heavy. Fights tough stains. And yeah, instant rebate, so bringing it down to $26.44. So it's 5.73 litres. Omo, we've got this one, the Ultimate. Then there was a Sensitive. And then there just seemed to be like an everyday one. But instant rebate, so $33.99 for the first. $28.99 for the Sensitive. And then we've got $28.99 for the last one. Dawn dishwashing liquid. We hear all about this in Australia, how amazing Dawn dishwashing liquid is. So it's $11.99 because you've got the instant rebate install, 2.66 litres. Dawn Power Wash dish spray. So 1 spray and 2 refill bottles in there. Do you pre-spray your dishes before you wash them? Never heard of that before. All right, $14.48. So 473 mils. There's some drinks here on special. So Powerade packs. They have the Fanta and they have the Sprite. 24 cans, I think. So Powerade's $21.99. The Fanta is $19.29 and the Sprite is the same, saving $1.50. Chuck's Super Wipes bring it down to $20.99. Magnum ice creams, it is a 16 pack. With the rebate, it comes down to $19.99. Oh, footy pies ready for the weekend. So frozen pack is $21.79. And this cookie dough birthday cake, I've seen people cooking with this. Instant rebate brings it down to $12.99. Almond milk Inside Out Original is instant rebate 80 cents, so you bring it down to $4.89. And you've got the walnuts here, $15.49, and some oat flour, I think that was, for $13.99. Almond flour, sorry. I knew that I'd read that wrong. So if you use almond flour in your cooking, let me know. I've used it before making macarons, but that is about as close as I've ever gotten to using almond flour. Kira doesn't like the taste of it, so I don't use it a lot. And we've got some dried fruit stuff here for clearance as well. These seem to be going out the door like they were, yeah, everyone was grabbing them. Pandas, here we are, $8.99. And then we have here some sweet and salty corn chips, $8.49 on clearance. Right, we've got some clothing here. So a Puma women's tee for $9.99. They had a black, they had a pink, they had grey. It was hard to film here because people just kept coming in and grabbing stuff, so you can check it out. And some men's pants, $24.99. So we've got the brown, and they've got some grey and some blue. And oh, it looks like someone's dumped some jeans here in the wrong place. Move them out the way. And then next up, we've got some licensed character PJ sets on instant rebate as well. So they had a whole range here. Disney Princess and some unicorns. My Little Pony. That was very cute. They've got Spider-Man here coming up. Batman. What else do they have? Oh, they had another like little pink girl thing. I kept moving stuff around. I think that's another like My Little Pony stuff. But yeah, if you're looking for something, they're here. I thought they were really an amazing price. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I really do appreciate it. Feel free to leave me a comment below and subscribe. We'd love to have you as part of our Frugal Fun family. And as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.